Hey friends, this is a look at the new Titan quarter-inch drive Nano ratchet. Get that to focus. This thing is so tiny. It's 2¼ inches overall length, whereas the old micro ratchet was like 4 1/8. So same mechanism. Basically, it's the same front end. The knurling's a little shorter, obviously, and then they made this kind of foot, I guess. I don't know what you want to call it. The heel of the thing, a little flared out to grab your finger. Basically, it's a little two-finger ratchet, but the ratcheting mechanism, there's no difference. It works just fine. Switch that way. Yeah. So, handy little tiny, tiny ratchet. So, this one feels like it needs a little breaking in. It's a little more resistance than this one. It could just be normal tolerances. I've used this one a bit more though. So anyway, yep, nice little swivel head. You can use it as a top end driver, just like a regular swivel head ratchet, but much more compact and a little quicker maybe, or less obstructions in the way when you are just spinning with those two fingers. So there you go, the Titan Nano Ratchet, 1/4 inch. It's pretty cool.